What's up, YouTube? For those that don't know me personally or follow me on Instagram, I want to introduce everybody to my daughter, Jamie Marie. She came into this world Friday, November 16th of 2018 at 7:21 a.m. And I apologize I haven't been posting lately. I've just been really busy. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this little blessing real quick. Stay tuned. Alright guys, before I start the taper, I'm going to go ahead and knock off all the discontinued hair from the long hair using my wall cordless seniors with the number 2 guard lever all the way closed. Next, using my Slimline Pros, I'm going to go ahead and make my first bald line guideline. So I'm going to start it off kind of like a triangle shape, just so I could give him a crispier hook for a better burst taper effect. Next, I'm full shaving everything under that first bald line using my wall 5-star finales. For my next guideline, I'm using no guard lever all the way open, and I'm going to go ahead and make this next guideline about 1/2 inch, still keeping it in that triangle shape. Next, I'm going to be using the lever all the way closed, and I'm going to go ahead and knock out this bald line going about halfway through this guideline. Next, I'm going to start off with the lever halfway closed, and I'm going to just be playing with the lever, opening and closing it some more, just to blend out the rest of this guideline. Now, using my number 1 guard, I got the lever all the way open, and I'm going to go ahead and make another 1/2 inch guideline, still keeping it in that triangle shape. Next, using the 1/2 guard, I'm going to go ahead and blend out that guideline using the corner of my clippers. Next, I'm going to be blending out the top of that last guideline using the number 1.5 guard. Going back to the number 1 guard, I'm going to go ahead and do some touch-up work. So I'm going to be using the corner of my clippers just because I do not want to create any more guidelines. So just be careful when you do that. Here I'm showing you guys some Elegance Plus hairspray. This is basically to keep the front of his hairline nice and stiff, and also to lay down the hairs that I need to line up. Alright YouTube, so this is basically the end of the cut. I'm just finishing up the razor line on his beard, but besides that, I want to give everybody a big thank you. I know I haven't been posting the past few months, but I'm going to be on and I'm going to try to be more consistent. But yeah, if you guys like this tutorial, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And to keep updated on daily posts, upcoming YouTube videos, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at RellyBoBarber and book your next appointment with me on Booksy.